What are some common alternatives to distilled water for various applications?
Hello everyone! Today, we'll be diving into the world of water alternatives, specifically those to distilled water. Distilled water, though commonly used in many applications, isn't always readily available, or in some cases, the most cost-effective choice. Let's discover the alternative options to distilled water for various applications.
What is distilled water?
First, it's important to understand what distilled water is. Distilled water is purified water that has had both contaminants and minerals removed. It's produced by boiling water and then condensing the collected steam back into a liquid.
Why look for alternatives?
There are several reasons why someone might need an alternative to distilled water. Some of these reasons include availability. Distilled water might not be readily accessible in some areas. Cost. Distillation can be an expensive process, especially for large-scale needs. Specific applications. Certain applications might require a different type of purified water.
What are common alternatives?
Deionized water first. Let's talk about deionized water. Deionized water is a type of purified water that has had its minerals removed, similar to distilled water. However, the process of deionization only removes ionizable substances from water. This means it might not remove non-ionizable substances, such as viruses or bacteria. Deionized water is often used in laboratories and industries where water hardness is a concern. Reverse osmosis water. Another alternative is reverse osmosis water. This type of water has been filtered through a semi-permeable membrane that removes the majority of contaminants. While the filtration is not as thorough as distillation, it is sufficient for many applications, including drinking, cooking, and some industrial processes. Spring water for drinking purposes. Spring water can be a good alternative. This is water that has been sourced from a natural spring and can contain beneficial minerals that are absent in distilled water. Just remember that while it may be safe to drink straight from the source, it is usually best to filter and treat spring water before consumption to remove potential contaminants. In conclusion, distilled water is not always the best or most convenient option for every application. Depending on your needs, you might find that alternatives like deionized water, reverse osmosis water, or spring water are more suitable. Always remember to assess your specific needs before choosing the type of water to use. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for tuning in.